Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up checkout upsell with Zipify One, full guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up checkout upsell with Zipify One, log into your Shopify store. Go to the Zipify One app from your Shopify dashboard. Click on the Upsell tab in the app. Select Checkout Upsell from the available options. To create a new upsell offer, click on the Create New Offer button. Choose the product that you want to offer as an upsell. Set a discount or special offer for the upsell product if desired. Customize the upsell offer details, including the title and description. Adjust the appearance settings to match your store's branding. Preview the upsell offer to see how it will look to customers. Once satisfied, click the Save button to activate your upsell offer. Next, navigate to the checkout settings within the Zipify One app. Enable checkout upsells by toggling the appropriate option. Choose whether to show the upsell offer on the checkout page or after payment. If desired, set conditions for when the upsell should appear, such as cart value. Save your checkout settings after making adjustments. Finally, test the checkout process to ensure the upsell offer is functioning correctly. Monitor the performance of your upsell offers using the analytics provided in Zipify One. Adjust your offers based on customer engagement and sales data as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.